So, restore a vintage watch with a toothpick? Yeah. Well, maybe not the entire watch, but you can certainly use it to make the text on the movement look a whole lot better. And I'm going to show you how. In my last video, I restored a 1915 Burlington Pocketwatch that had taken a ride through the washing machine and was pretty rusty. Well, after I took care of the rust, I color-filled the text on the bridges to really make the movement pop. It was a really fun restoration, and if you want to watch the entire video, I'll leave a link at the end of this video and also in the comments below. So first, you'll need the part that you want to fill. It should be clean and free from grease or oils. Then, I like to use an acrylic craft paint. It's easy to find, it dries fast, it gives really good results, and it's totally reversible. And then, yes, you need a toothpick, and that's it. Just shake up the paint to get it mixed properly, and then just open the lid. You don't even need to pour the paint into anything. There is more than enough paint already in the top of the lid. Then just get a small drop on the end of the toothpick and start to rub it into the lettering. You don't have to be super careful here, just regular careful. Just rub it around, and don't worry if you don't get it all covered the first time. You can always add more later. So, as you'll see, while you're filling in the text, the paint starts to dry pretty quick. Then just rub back over the areas that you just did, and the paint will be pulled off of the surface, leaving most of the paint down in the lettering. Now, some of the paint will be pulled out, but it's no big deal. Just go over those spots again. So I've seen other people doing this, and they use enamel paint and a paintbrush and paint thinner and Q-tips to clean the surface. But it's really not necessary to do all that when you can get the same results in just a few minutes without a lot of mess. And since I'm using acrylic paint, it can be easily removed at any point to leave the original factory painted finish showing. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. If you did find this helpful, please consider supporting my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. If you'd like to donate to my channel, you can head over to www.buymeacoffee.com/watchasIlearn. You can donate as little as $5, and believe me, every donation is so greatly appreciated. And whenever you donate, I display your name during the next video. And here are the people who have donated since my last video. Thank you guys so much. These donations go to buying tools and watches that I feature in my videos. It really gives me positive feedback that you're enjoying my content. Again, your generosity is so greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. Well, that about wraps it up. If you'd like to see the complete restoration of this watch, you can click this link and check it out now. I really hope you do. So until next time, take care and God bless.